Hi, I'm Lewis. I built Reflame and I'm going to show you how it works. So here we have Reflame.app, our web dashboard. It's a pretty simple React app with just under 10,000 lines of code. So here I am going to push up a change that I just prepared beforehand and go back to the PR. And here you can see our change was deployed in just under 0.5 seconds. And here we can see our change in the browser. And now let's move on to an app from one of our customers, Highlight.io. And this is a much more sophisticated app with more than 300,000 lines of code. So I'm also going to push a change here. Go back to the PR. And now we can see we deploy that change in about 2 seconds. And if we click this button here, we'll see our change. So we just saw a 30 times increase in project size, but only a 1 second increase in how long we took to deploy. And this is what you can expect from Reflame's deployment product. We not only aim to start fast, but also stay fast as you add more and more code. For comparison, Highlight's old GitHub Actions pipeline deploying to render.com took about 10 minutes, so switching to Reflame literally made their deploys more than 100 times faster. And now let's move on to our new component testing product. This is a fork of the Radix UI repo I've been using to test out the product. And if I push up a change here, and then go to the pull request, we can see that we took about 3 seconds to get a screenshot diff of our changes. And because the testing product is built on top of our deployment product, we can just click a link in our browser to see our changes and inspect it. Also notice that we only ran 2 tests for this commit. That's because Reflame was able to figure out that none of the other tests have actually had their dependencies changed, so we just reused the results from last time. And I just hit this force rerun button earlier, which forces Reflame to ignore its heuristics and rerun all 250 tests in the repo. And now we can see that that took about 6.5 seconds. So we ran 250 more tests for a 3-second increase in runtime. By comparison, Radix's current testing workflow involves a storybook build step that takes about 2 minutes, along with a chromatic step that takes another 2 minutes. And as you can see, it's only running 37 out of the 250 tests that we just ran earlier. Our component testing product is designed to help you ship design system changes with confidence without anything ever slowing you down, unlike all the other approaches out there. And that's it for the demo. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.